Hello, my name is Xander. Welcome to this Django ORM query challenge. You can follow along with this challenge like a tutorial if you're just getting started out, or use it to test your current Django ORM skills. Links to the source code and setup instructions are in the video description. Welcome to challenge 1.3. Our goal in this challenge is to retrieve the first product created by date. We should return all fields, and we don't need to order in this case because we are going to only be returning one product. So do take a moment to try it yourself, and if and when you're ready, I'll walk you through the solution step by step. Right, so we're going to be working with the product data, so we can always double check if needed in the inventory models if you need more information about the product and what fields are available. So here you can see we have a created at field. It is a date time field, so we can sort by that, and then we can select the product that was first entered into the product table. Right, so let's start with the product model. We're going to need the default manager to access the query tools. And now we're going to, first of all, order by. So let's order by, and that's going to be the created at field, because what's going to be stored in this field is a timestamp which determines when the product was initially created. So let's use that field and order it in ascending order, which of course is the default behavior. Now, because this will return products in ascending order based upon the created at field, so by that I mean the oldest to newest, it means that the oldest product will be at the top of our list, which means we can now simply select it and return it, and that will then return or retrieve the first product created. So now we can use the first method, which will simply take and return the first product in that list. Okay, so let's see that in action. Docker compose up build. Let's head over to the documentation, which I already have running. So that's localhost 8080/docs, challenge 3. Let's try this out, execute. And it looks like the iPhone 13 was the first item that was added into the product database table. Now we can confirm that because it does have an ID of 1, which is an auto-incrementing number. Each time we add a product to the table, that will increment by 1. So 1 indicates that this is the first product indeed inserted into the product table. Now, if you want more challenges, then do check out our YouTube playlist. And if you're ready to master all the skills behind these queries, then jump into our full Django ORM Mastery course. It's designed to take you from the ground up. All the links to the resources are in the video description. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for weekly promotions and course giveaways.